Forge My Fire, Chapter 12. Jordan took out a cigarette, put his feet up on the coffee table, and smiled, looking forward to another day with his little Angel. When Angel woke up, the cat was missing again, and she could hear Jordan's boots as he walked around the apartment. He was whistling. She looked at the window. It was narrow and had been painted shut years ago. Even if she hid under the bed, there was no escape. She felt like she was going to throw up. Jordan's footsteps approached. He opened the door. He was smiling. "I brought breakfast in bed for my little girl," he said cheerfully. "Come and eat. You look a little pale." Angel darted past him out of the bedroom, and mumbled, "I have to go to the bathroom." She stayed in the bathroom as long as she could, but the door had no lock, and she watched as he turned the knob from the outside. "Your breakfast is getting cold," Jordan declared. "Don't you appreciate what I've done for you?" "Thank you, Jordan, for the breakfast, but I'm not very hungry. Where's my cat?" Jordan's loud laughter startled her. "Ha! You think I killed that stupid cat?" "Not yet. Maybe I won't have to. Come here." Angel's feet would not walk toward Jordan. His boots clumped on the bare wood floor as he walked over to her. He picked her up, then kicked open the bedroom door. He placed her gently on the bed. "Today," he said softly, "we got the whole day to spend together. Ain't that grand?" Angel trembled with disgust and fear. Jordan turned the radio up loud and closed her door. Jordan didn't hear the apartment door open. He didn't notice that Gerald had quietly opened Angel's door, or that 2 uniformed police officers were standing there until just before they grabbed him and handcuffed him. He roared in anger and tried to get away, but it was too late. "Jordan Sparks, you are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can and will be used in a court of law. You have the right to—" They dragged him, screaming and cursing, from the house. Gerald watched with a grim smile. "What happened, Gerald? How did you know? He said he'd kill Tiger. I'm sorry, Gerald. It's all my fault." Angel was almost hysterical. Relieved at escaping what she feared and dared not imagine, she did not know how to react. Gerald tried to calm her down. "Shh, shh, shh," he whispered. "I found someone that we can trust. I told him everything. He called the police and helped me to convince them to come here right away. I was afraid I would be too late." "Oh, Gerald, was I bad? Is Jordan going to get in trouble because of me? It's all my fault." "No, Angel," soothed Gerald. "It's not your fault. Not even a little bit. Jordan was a very bad man. He was doing bad things. You did the right thing. I'm going to be here for you, and everything is going to be better. I promise." Angel cried then, not for Jordan, but for herself, and for lost dreams, and for secrets in the night. Finally she stopped sobbing and looked up at Gerald, who had wrapped his arms protectively around her. "Where's my cat?" she asked. Gerald laughed and let Tiger out of Monique and Jordan's bedroom. Angel squeezed the cat so hard that she burped. Gerald and Angel began to laugh uncontrollably. Gerald almost wet his pants, and Angel fell on the floor, rolling in laughter. That's how Monique found them when she marched through the door, angry and upset. "What's so funny?" she screamed. "You think it's funny to send a man to jail for something he ain't done? You low-life children! I ought to kill both of you. How dare you lie on a good man like Jordan?" Instantly serious, Angel and Gerald looked at Monique in amazement. "Mama, it's true. I didn't make it up. Jordan's been bothering me for a long time. He comes in my room at night and he—" "You lie!" roared Monique. "You filthy liar!" Gerald spoke up. "I saw him do it, Monique. She ain't lying. He told her he would kill her cat if she told. I was the one that told. I've seen him coming out of her room at night. I'm sorry, Monique, but it's true." Monique threw her purse at him and burst into tears. She ran into her bedroom, screaming and sobbing. Gerald and Angel exchanged glances. "Looks like it's me and you, kid," Gerald said quietly. "Just me and you."